Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga ng mga lehitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Diba ang lakas ng mga tiga Laguna, palaban ay sipag lalo na sa disiplina. Higil sa laro, alam mo na determinado, papalag kahit kanino kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isa puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanghaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gano'ng kataas. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga ng mga lehitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Diba ang lakas ng mga tiga Laguna, palaban ay sipag lalo na sa disiplina. Higil sa laro, alam mo na determinado, papalag kahit kanino kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isa puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanghaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gano'ng kataas. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga ng mga lehitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Iba ang lakas ng mga tiga Laguna, palaban ay sipag lalo na sa disiplina. Higil sa laro, alam mo na determinado, papalag kahit kanino kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isang puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanghaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gano'ng kataas. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga ng mga lehitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Iba ang lakas ng mga tiga Laguna, palaban ay sipag lalo na sa disiplina. Higil sa laro, alam mo na determinado, papalag kahit kanino kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isang puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanghaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gano'ng kataas. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Winter Town, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida.
This is the start of our second game for Intertown Basketball Tournament this Sunday afternoon. This is Mr. P Basketball San Pedro versus Calamba Carabaos. Here comes Rodolfo Alota, gets that foul. It's a foul on jersey number 9, Dick Thomas Modelo. Shout out to Rexon Faraon of Blue Seals in Tabo City. Homo finding Duke Thomas to Flores launching a three. No good. Roller is there on the rebound. And fresh from their victory yesterday against Cabuyao. And now we are seeing Roller Dadang in action. We missed him yesterday against that game sa Cabuyao. Brel Diaz opening that first quarter with a two-pointer. And that's Carlos Fernandez with a big three-pointer as an answer for San Pedro. Galicia to Enoch to Dadang. And Dadang finding Alota, who's our best player of the game yesterday. Rocker Dadang from way downtown, no good. Flores on that rebound. Flores finding Fernandez, tries another one. This time no good. Xavi Galicia on that letter. Galicia setting up that play. Galicia fakes. He finds Bryle Diaz launching a three. No good. Fernandez to Flores for two. Still no basket here for Flores. Roger Dadang finding Bryle Diaz. Flores for three. And that's Flores' first basket for the ball game. It's back-to-back three para dito sa kumpanya ng San Pedro. Coming from Flores and Fernandez. Alota finding Dadang. 10 seconds to shoot. He will find Roche Enoch. Over to Xavi Galicia. Galicia penetrating. And that's Domingo for three. Galicia. Let's come here. Here comes the Toro. MJ Homo to Flores. Lays it in. Good. Heavy on that fast break. Finds Rodolfo Alota underneath. Domingo will be fouled. And it's a foul on jersey number 8, Bryle Diaz. Centro is good. Para dito kay Elmer Domingo. Official score is 10-6. 4-point lead para dito sa Mr. P Basketball San Pedro. Dadang will try to launch that one. That's Modelo on the rebound. Giving the ball to Domingo. Domingo will be blocked, but there's a foul. foul on Rog Enoch. His first personal foul and second team foul. And another chance on the free throw line for Elmer Domingo. First throw, no good. Second shot is good for Domingo. From Javi. Javi Galicia penetrating and he will be fouled. Simon's a foul on jersey number 11, Domingo. His first personal foul and second team foul para dito sa kupunan ng San Pedro. And on the free throw line, shooting two, it's jersey number 4, Javi Galicia. First shot is good. It's 2 for 2 for Javi Galicia. Defending MJ Homo, giving the ball to Domingo. MJ lulusot, finding Flores. Para save there, Flores, and a tap by Rog Enoch. Same ball possession. 5 seconds to shoot para dito sa Mr. P Basketball San Pedro. And they will call a timeout. The official score is 11-8 in favor of San Pedro. Five seconds to shoot for Alota. Alota will launch that one, and it's good. And he gets that lead para dito sa Calamba. Thomas Madelo launching, and that's no good for Dick Thomas. Rocky Dedang will try, bounce pass to Brian Diaz. Comes MJ Homo. Still action here para kay MJ. MJ finding Domingo underneath. Domingo. That's no good para dito kay MJ. But that fast break is broken para dito sa Calamba. Out of bounds. Ball possession of San Pedro. We can now see Sarasa and Cabidos inside. Bounce pass from Cabidos. Domingo hesitating, Sarasa. Intercepted by Roy Dedang. And Braille will be fouled. And it's a foul on Clark. That will be his first personal foul. 13 foul para dito sa San Pedro. Braille to Rocky Dadang. Dadang with 14 seconds to shoot. Dadang with a screen from Enoch. Dadang stops and launches. It's no good. Thomas is there on that rebound. Finding MJ Homo. To Kai Capitos for 3. Sa Alota. Finding, having Alicia back to Alota. 14 seconds on the shot clock. And to shoot para dito sa Calamba. Javi stops and launches a 3. That's no good para dito kay Javi Galicia. MJ Homo will penetrate. What a pass to Saraza. Rocker finding Galicia. Galicia to give the ball to Rodolfo Alota and he will fire. Snuga this time para dito kay Rodolfo Alota. Saraza finding Homo. And Clark reclaiming that lead para dito sa San Pedro with that two-pointer. Javi Galicia against the defense of Elmer Domingo. Javi Fricks, Jovel lays it in and it's good. Another basket para dito kay Javi Galicia and we have a whistle. Duke Thomas will be sent back to the bench here. And that's a JT Orona, fresh from the bench for San Pedro. 1 minute left for opening quarter. Bayani. Kyle finding Larguesa here. Larguesa almost losing that possession. Javi Galicia lays it in. Here comes MJ. And he will be fouled here. It's a whistle against jersey number 29, O'Neal Larguesa. His first personal foul. Warning for penalty dito ang Calamba. And on the free throw line, San Pedro sa Toro. MJ Homo. First shot is good for MJ. Second shot no good, but Flores is there for the follow-up. Bayani. Screen from Naz. And Bon Naz will lay it in, no good. Tosnet is there. Finding Larguesa to Kyle Bayani, back to Larguesa. To Galicia, to Cruz. O'Neal is blocked. That's good, here comes Clark Capitos. 4-2. It's a quick basket here for Clark Capitos, 5 seconds left. That's the 1 second. MJ will throw that ball. Kyle interrupt that pass. That will be it for opening quarter. Official score is 22-18. 4-point lead para sa Mr. P Basketball San Pedro.
frequency.
This is the start of our second quarter for this matchup between Calamba and San Pedro. It's a foul on jersey number 23, Bonaz. To open that quarter on the free throw line, we have Sarasa shooting two. First shot is good. Second shot is good para dito kay Ken Sarasa. It's now a 6-point lead para dito. We have a whistle here against jersey number 13. Bayani setting up that play. Bayani will try to penetrate. He finds Bonaz. MJ on that letter. Homo finding Flores, but it's intercepted. It's out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa Calamba Carabaos. O'Neal. Bayani will fire a three. Yes, sir! And first three-pointer para dito sa kupunan ng Calamba Carabaos coming from Kael Bayani. MJ. Ventura on that. Stolen back by Capitos. Here comes Flores. Flores will be blocked here by Bonaz. It's out of bounds. Ball possession. Calamba. Kyle dancing against the defense of MJ Homo. And Kyle will try another one. This time it's no good. Capitos is there. We have a whistle against Kael Bayani. Malyari finding Sarasa. Back to Malyari to Flores. He launches at three. This time no good. Darguesa, what a defense here by Flores. He finds Calen. Bayani with 10 seconds to shoot. Bayani stops and launch. Oh, free! Another three-pointer here by Colin Bayani. Reclaiming the lead for Calamba, and we have a steal by Ventura. Lays it in. 2 points for Sean Ventura. It's now a 4-point lead para dito sa Calamba. Bonaz with that steal. It's taken back by Malyari. Capitos will try a three. It's no good. Basnet Cruz on that rebound. It's a jump ball. Ball possession, Calamba Carabaos. It's an offensive whistle against jersey number 23, Bones. That will be his second personal foul. Malyari setting up that play. He finds Flores. And Flores will give that ball to Duke Thomas Madelo. Madelo spins. Madelo will be blocked here by Cruz. And here comes Bonas. Passes that ball to Kalen Bayani. Bayani back to Naz. Naz stops and launches. Flores will be fouled. It's foul on jersey number 7, doesn't it? Cruz. Sorry, that's Dunzent Cruz. First shot is good for Flores. It's 2 for 2 para dito kay Flores. Larguesa against the defense of Malyari. Larguesa is in trouble. He finds Kalen. Bayani to Cruz. Bounce pass to Alota. No good para dito kay Rodolfo Alota. Here comes Madelo. Duke Thomas. It's no good, but Malyari is there for the offensive board. Sarasa. Ken spins. Ken launches. Still no good. We have a whistle here against jersey number 9, Duke Thomas Madelo. That will be second personal foul and second team foul. Ariola. Finding Heaven McTibay back to Ariola. Ariola gives the ball to Heaven. Finding Kalen, but that's out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa San Pedro. 2-point lead ang inaalagaan dito ng Kalamba. Manse. Finding Duke Thomas Malyari. To Madelo. He will find Manse to Flores. 4-3. No good para dito kay Flores. Kalen Bayani. It's a line ball. Kitang-kita doon ni Consi Edwin. It's a line ball. Comes Manse finding Madelo. It's the ball to Murillo. Back to Manse. Ken Sarasa. Here comes Ian Manse for free. Kalen on that letter. Bounce pass to Roche Enoch. It's no good para dito kay Rog. Here comes Manse. What a pass to Clark Capidos. And we are tied at 28. Magtibay giving that ball to Ariola. Here comes Rodolfo Alota. Against that defense. San Pedro, here comes Mansell launching a free. That's no good. Rog to Kalen Bayani. Comes Bayani. Finding Rodolfo Alota. Murillo finding Capidos. Capidos gives that ball to Duke Thomas. Back to Capidos. Bayani finding Ariola on the corner. Bounce pass to Rodolfo Alota. No good. Duke Thomas gets that ball. Cabitos will try another one. Lays it in. Another basket para dito kay Clark Cabitos of San Pedro. A lot of finding Kalen Bayani. Bayani to heaven on the other side. He will launch a free. No good. Roche is there on that follow-up. Murillo to Manson to Saraza. Saraza gives that ball to Duke Thomas. Modelo. We're tied once again at 34. Another deadlock for a ball game. Ariola finding Kalen Bayani. We have a whistle here. And that's an unsportsmanlike whistle on Ken Sarasa. That's 2 shots plus ball possession para dito sa Calamba. And a timeout will be called by San Pedro. It's coach's challenge. And our officials will review that call. And upon our officials' review, that's an unsportsmanlike foul on jersey number 13, Ken Sarasa. That's 2 shots plus ball possession for Calamba. And Sarasa will be out for 3 minutes. Ten seconds to shoot. Smadelo finding Domingo. He misses. Here comes Tavi Galicia. Galicia lays it in. Good. Rod Charlotte on that follow-up is good. Under 1 minute left for second quarter. Here comes Javi missing that throw. We have a foul here on Javi Galicia. That will be his first personal foul, and Calamba is on the penalty. On the free throw line, we have Duke Thomas Madelo. Second shot, no good. Galicia. To Rodolfo Alota. Fix and underneath that basket is good for Rodolfo Alota. Madelo to Capidos. Finding Thomas Madelo. Spins. Launches. And that's another basket para dito kay Duke Thomas Madelo and Galicia on that fast break. Fix. Lays it in. And that's good for Galicia. 15 seconds left for second quarter. 5 seconds, and that's Calvin Murillo. Navi to lose track of that time, and that's the end of our second quarter. Official score is 41-40 in favor of Calamba Carabaos. Habulin mo kay Sidlakan. We are back to the ball game. This is the start of our third quarter. This is still a matchup between San Pedro versus Calamba. Alota will lose that possession. Here comes MJ Homo. Homo to take the lead for San Pedro. Heaven finding Kalen. Kalen Bayani finds Rodolfo Aleta. It's no good, but Roy is there on that follow-up. Manse will try a long one, and it's good. Para kay Gian Sandro Manse. That's his first three-pointer. Kalen finding Rog to Rocker with a quick answer. We have a whistle here. It's against GC number 46, Rodolfo Alota. Baliktad yung score. San Pedro yung nakascore. Baliktad. San Pedro yung nakascore. And that's a lead again for San Pedro. Kalen, what a pass to over the dang. Heaven Magtibay. No good, but Rodolfo is there. Montek pa. We are tied once again on another deadlock for this afternoon. MJ Homo finding Gian Manse. This time it's no good para dito kay Manse. From Kalen Bayani. Finding Rocker Dadang. Hesitating for three, but this time he will put it out. It's no good. Murillo on the letter, finding Duke Thomas. He will find Elmer to MJ Homo. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot for MJ. Intercepted here by Heaven Magtibay. Here comes Rocker Dadang on the fast break. Bounce pass to Magtibay. That ball will slip on his hand. Substitutions on both teams. And that's Clark Capitos with a three-pointer. Rocker Dadang. Clark getting that 3-point lead para dito sa San Pedro, and Rog Enoch. Sorry, that's Bonas answering back with a 3-pointer. Another deadlock for this afternoon. And Bonas intercepted that pass. Rocker Dadang. Bounce pass to Colin. Bayani with 12 to shoot. Nas stops and launching. Regaining that lead para sa Calamba. Under 5 minutes left for his third quarter. Homo. Domingo spins. Domingo launching. That's no good for Elmer. Dadang finding Larguesa back to Rocker Dadang. And Rocker setting up that play with 8 seconds to shoot. Rocker will try to get inside. Kaleno for free again. That's no good. Here comes MJ Homo. Stops and launching along too. No good. So out of bounds. Ball possession. Calamba. Hello, Carlo. Nandito sa center. Oh, sige. Nandito ako sa may tech booth. Dito na lang sa may labas ng central. Chat mo ako. Oh, sige. Chat mo ako pa. Ay, papunta ka na baga? Papaabangan kita kay Sidlakan sa, dun sa may gate. Ah, sige, sige. Papaabangan tayo Sidlakan. Ah, sige. Sigawan mo nga si Tino. Si Tino. Tawagin mo nga. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Larguesa on the letter. Larguesa with 5 seconds to shoot, and that's a 24-second shot clock violation for Calamba. Homo finding Capitos on the corner. Gives back the ball to Flores. Capitos for 3. And he takes the lead once again for San Pedro. It's a 2-point lead here for San Pedro. Bonas will try to answer. That's no good. Duke Thomas gives the ball to Ken Saraza. To Capitos. Capitos for another one. This time it's no good. And we have a whistle here. On jersey number 9, Thomas Modelo. That will be the third personal foul, first team foul. It's second shot para dito kay Javi Galicia. Second shot is good. Official scores 58-57. 1-point lead para dito sa Mr. P Basketball San Pedro. Antayin mo daw si Coach Carlos sa labas. Kasi yun. Dala niya yung pagkaya ng AP. Paabang daw siya sa labas. Iiwan sa akin yun. Tarantado, ikaw lang ang tawa. Flores for 2. It's now a 3-point lead para dito sa San Pedro. And that's Oni Larguesa with a 2-pointer. Homo finding Duke Thomas. Modelo sasalaksak, no good. He gets his own miss, still no good. It's a jump ball. Same ball possession with 6 seconds to shoot. Dr. Duke Thomas. Warning for penalty dito. Ang kupunan ng Kalamba, 47 seconds. Here comes Domingo. Missing that basket. But MJ is there. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Homo will have to launch that one. He launched a long three. Yes, sir. That's MJ Homo with a buzzer beater 3-pointer. Para dito sa San Pedro. 10 seconds left. Javi Galicia finding only Larguesa. That's out of bounds. 4 seconds left. Here comes Homo to Duke Thomas. Thomas Madelo missing that buzzer beater shot. And that will be the end of our third quarter. Official score 63-59 in favor of Mr. P Basketball San Pedro. Start. Wala pa pala. And this is the start of our fourth and final quarter. Dadang handling that letter to open his fourth quarter. He finds Javi Galicia. Galicia to Bayani. He fakes. Cullen finding Ventura to Rocker Dadang. Rocker to open that quarter. That's a long two para dito. Kay Rocker Dadang. MJ Homo. Shout out to my nephew, Jay Tolentino, is joining us here this afternoon to witness this fourth quarter matchup between San Pedro and Calamba. It's a 2-point lead here now for San Pedro. Rocker Dadang will try to either take that lead or tie this ball game. Galicia to Ventura, back to Bayani. Bayani is in trouble here. Rodolfo hesitates at first. He fires, that's in and out. Intercepted by Ventura. Here comes Ventura to Cullen. Bayani to take the lead. Yes, sir! It's changed favor. 1-point lead now for Calamba. Capitos hand off to Homo. MJ against the defense of Rocker Dadang. MJ Homo with 5 seconds. Homo launching. Takes the lead back to San Pedro. What a ball game for this afternoon for both teams. Palitan ng puntos. Rather, sagutan ng puntos. Sa kabilang panig, here comes Kalen. Dancing against that defense. It's no good. Kalen. Trying again. Thomas Madelo finally securing that rebound for San Pedro. Here comes Flores. Giving that ball to MJ Homo. Dancing na Toro Torres. Launches that too. But we have a foul here on jersey number 13, Ken Saraza. That will be Ken's third personal foul. Sabi mo, kita siya sa layuan. Kita siya na. Meng, kita ka dyan. Here comes Roy Dedang. Colin Bayani back to Rocker. Rocker. Giving that ball to Rodolfo. Alota against that defense. He loses that possession. Capidos passes the ball to Flores. Colin Bayani on that defense. And we have a whistle here. Foul on Colin Bayani. Sending Flores on the free throw line. Nickler shooting 2. First throw for Nickler. Flores no good. Second shot is good para dito kay Flores. Bayani. It's now a 2-point lead here for San Pedro. What a fake there by Ventura, and he finds Galisha underneath. He ties the ball game once again. It's all 66. Capidos hand off to MJ Homo. Homo. Dancing against the defense of Rodolfo Alota. Bounce pass to Madelo, no good. It's intercepted by Rocker Dadang. Colin Bayani to Sean Ventura for the lead. No good. Flores on that rebound. Nickler. Derecho. Too strong for Nickler, and we have a foul. Basket counts with a foul for Thomas Madelo. That will be Kalen's third personal foul. Bonus shot no good, but Duke gets that possession, pero mababawi dito ni Rocker Dadang. It's now a 2-point lead. Rodolfo, handoff. He finds Ventura. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Rocker Dadang for 3. MJ Homo on that letter. Homo. With 10 seconds to shoot. Homo launching a 2. That's too strong para dito kay MJ. Colin Bayani setting up that play para dito sa Kalamba. He will ask for a screen. Colin will try to escape that defense. He finds Rocker Dadang. With 5 seconds to shoot, Rocker for 3. Still no good on that 3-point area para dito kay Rocker Dadang. And Flores with a lay. Sends Kalamba into a timeout. Official score is 70-66 in favor of Mr. P Basketball San Pedro. We are back to the ball game after the timeout mula dito sa sa Calamba rather. Magtibay, Heaven finding Bon Nas for 3. That's in and out para dito kay Nas. Madelo giving that ball to MJ Homo. Homo finds Flores. 10 seconds to shoot. Lagay mo dito. Diyan na kay Pelayo. That's good, Madelo on the rebound. We see MJ Homo to Domingo for free. And we have an unsportsmanlike whistle. Coach, ingat. Kumaya na lang. And it's an unsportsmanlike foul called on jersey number 91, Nicolas Flores. And he will be out for 3 minutes, 2 shots plus ball possession para dito sa Calamba Carabaos. There's some confusion there. And our officials will have to review that one. There has been a confusion if it's Flores or Domingo. Chinek lang nila kung sino. Ay, sino? Parang 11 mo kaya. 11? 11. Yeah, sorry for the confusion on that call. It's the GC number 11. Maluwa. It's an unsportsmanlike whistle on jersey number 11, Elmer Domingo. First shot, no good para kay Bon Nas. Second shot is good. Ball possession will remain on the side of Calamba Carabaos. Galicia, head off to Heaven Magtibay. Magtibay will find Bon Nas back to Jalvi Galicia. Galicia finds Heaven. Heaven hesitating. 2 seconds to shoot. Calamba ball. Again, 2 seconds on the shot clock. Lota will lose that possession. Here comes MJ Homo. Homo intercepted. It's a push. A foul on Ken Sarasa. That will be Ken's 4th personal foul. The 3rd team foul for San Pedro. Melvin declares first. Personal foul and warning for penalty para dito sa San Pedro. Rog misses that try. Ball possession will remain on the side of Calamba. Alota to Galicia. Javi fakes, launching, no good. Javi gets his own miss. Javi bounce pass to Rodolfo. Here comes Heaven for free. That's short for Heaven Magtibay. We have a whistle. And a timeout will be called here. We are back to the ball game after the timeout. Mula dito sa San Pedro, Flores giving that ball to Domingo, to MJ Homo. MJ with 5 seconds to shoot. MJ Homo penetrating, that's no good. Rodolfo Alota gets that rebound. Here comes Heaven Magtibay for free. Still no good para dito kay Heaven. Clark finding Duke Thomas Madelo. And a timeout will be called by Calamba. Carabao's official score 72-67. 5-point lead para sa Mr. P Basketball San Pedro. We are back to the ball game. This is the fourth quarter of this matchup between Calamba and San Pedro. And San Pedro is securing a 5-point lead here against Calamba with 2 minutes left. And Alota will lose that possession. San Pedro ball. Comes MJ Homo on the letter. Hand off to Capitos. Homo against that defense of Nas. Homo makakalusot. There's an interception there. Stolen back by Niclair Flores to Clark Capidos. To Elmer Dum. Sorry, that's Ken Sarasa. For that quick 2. It's now a 7-point lead. Para sa bayan ng San Pedro, Rodolfo Alota is in trouble here against 3 defenders. Kalen Bayani lays it in, that's short. And Flores will get that possession. Leclerc finding Luke Thomas to MJ Homo. And MJ with 1 minute remaining. What a pass there to Elmer Dum. Sorry, to Ken Sarasa. Here comes Javi, spinning, attacking. In a basket for Javi Galicia. And the timeout will be called by San Pedro. Official score is 76, 69, 7-point lead para sa bayan ng San Pedro. Back to the ball game. Last 44 seconds for the ball game. San Pedro on the lead on this one. Flores gives that ball to Duke. Thomas Madelo. And a steal here by Rodolfo Alota, stolen back by Niclair Flores. He finds Clark Capidos. 8 seconds left, and then we have a whistle here for Rodolfo Alota. $14 seconds to shoot para dito sa San Pedro. NJ finding Nick Blair there, and we have a whistle. Jersey number 91. Niclair Flores for his second personal foul, and San Pedro is on the penalty on this one. And on the free throw line, we have Rodolfo Alota shooting two. It's a foul on jersey number 4, Javi Galicia. That will be his third personal foul, and Calamba is on the penalty on this one. First shot is good para dito kay Nick. It's now an 8-point lead para sa bayan ng San Pedro. To make that a 9-point lead. 78-69, and the timeout will be called by Calamba Carabaos. Remaining time is 22 seconds. We're back. See the ball game again. It's the last 22 seconds. ...22 seconds left, 14 on the shot clock para dito sa Calamba Carabaos. They will go with Kalen Bayani. 8 seconds. Here comes Oni Larguesa. That's no good. 8 seconds left. And that will be it for fourth and final quarter. What a ball game between Calamba and San Pedro. And our winner of the game is San Pedro. The best player of the game is none other than GC number 1 and Nickler Flores. And we will be back with more basketball action only here on Velvet Laguna Cup Intertown Basketball Tournament.
Good evening, everybody. That's it for our second game here at Intertown Velvet Cup Season 2. And congratulations for San Pedro for winning for today's game. I'm here together with the best player, jersey number 91, Nickler Flores. What can you say sa nagawa mong game na sa pinakita mo ngayon for your team?
Sa amin po kasi nag-uumpisa po kami sa ensayo, inuumpisahan po namin yung intensity doon. Then kahit kami po nagsasakitan po kami para pagdating dito sanay na po kami, inuubos po namin yung gigil namin. Then tulungan lang po talaga kami. Tapos iwas po kami sa mga hindi po namin kayang kontrolin.
What were the process pinagdaanan nyo para maipakita yung game na ginawa mo ngayon?
Yung kung sa akin po, yung laban po namin sa Rizal, bali doon po kami kumukuha ng gigil eh. Doon po namin hinuhugot yung namin.
Inspiration.
Opo.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Maraming salamat. On the other hand, I am here with the coach. Coach, ano mga plans? May ginawa ba kayong turnover? After a loss with Rizal, may binago pa kayo sa plans, change of plans, sa game plan? Ganun.
Kumbaga, ganun pa rin naman yung plano namin eh. Kumbaga, hard loss lang talaga yung nangyari sa Rizal pero naranaman namin nung gusto yung play namin dun eh. Kaya nung pag-training namin ng Wednesday, Thursday, talagang pinerfect namin yung run ng play para pagbalik namin. Going strong kami eh.
Kanina, Coach, napansin natin, it's very crucial between the game with Calamba. Nagkaroon po ba kayo nagpalit po ba kayo ng defenses and offenses?
Ayun, yun kami 2-1-2 eh, kaya medyo nahirapan sila dun sa amin, pati sinipagan ng best player natin eh.
And Coach, may gusto po ba kayo i-shoutout who's currently watching us live here and supported you here at Amante Gymnasium?
Nagpapasalamat po pala kami kay Mr. P Basketball Laguna, kay Mr. Paulo Ramirez, Mayor Art Joseph Mercado, Congressman Ann Matibag, Attorney Melvin Matibag, Boss Alvin Lugo, Chris Bill Bowlers, Hope Drip Niomo, GC Sublane and Prince, Nice Try, ANA Beauty and Wellness, Bienski Cup, and Can't Stop Kicks. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.
How about you, Mr. Flores? May gusto po ba kayo shoutout who is currently watching us live and supported you here at Amantan Gymnasium?
Unang-una po, kay Lord po, nagpapasalamat po ako. Then yung magulang ko po na nanonood po ngayon. Sa girlfriend ko po na nakasuporta. Sa Mr. P po, kay Boss Pau po. Then sa Mr. P community po. Tsaka sa Hoop Drip po ni Homo. Then sa local ng tropa ko sa Jaka.
Maraming salamat po. Again, congratulations, Mr. Flores, for being the best player. And congratulations as well for San Pedro for winning this game. Once again, this is Shikana Shelshire, courtside reporter. We will be back. Stay tuned for Velvet South Basketball.